Hello. If you're here, maybe it's because you're feeling overwhelmed, maybe tired or a little lost. Maybe you've been studying for the TOEFL for weeks or even months, and it still feels like you're not any closer to being ready. Maybe you're starting to wonder if you'll ever truly feel prepared. Maybe you've even started to doubt yourself. Let me say this first. You're not alone. There is nothing wrong with you, your brain, or the way you're preparing. I've worked with many students, and I've seen this moment again and again. That point where it all feels like it's too much. Too many words, too many strategies, too many practice tests. Perhaps you feel like you're doing everything and nothing is working. And you start to wonder, will I ever be ready? Will I ever get that score I need? But listen to me. You will. You absolutely will. This feeling, it's just a part of the process. It's a sign that you are taking your TOEFL prep seriously, that you're putting in the effort. And that means you're already halfway there. Let me tell you something important. You don't need to follow every single piece of advice you see online. You don't need to study 10 hours a day. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to find what works for you, your learning style, your pace, your routine. Because what works for somebody else might not work for you, and that's okay. Take breaks. Take a deep breath. Remind yourself why you're doing this. Maybe it's for the university you've dreamt of. Maybe it's for your future job. Maybe it's for a better life. Whatever your reason, it's valid. It's powerful. And it's worth fighting for. You're not stuck or failing. You're learning. And this stressful time is temporary. It won't last forever. One day soon, you'll take the TOEFL. You'll get your score. You'll look back and say, I made it through. So please don't give up. You've come this far. You're stronger than you think. Keep going. And remember, this is just a chapter, not your whole story. To help you feel stronger and more motivated, here are some messages I've received from students who kept at it and didn't give up. And here are the results they achieved. And who knows, one day you might do even better.